Hey everyone, Erica with the K here. Today's video is going to be on cleaning gross stuff, and it's going to be my bathtub shower right here. And so I want to take you guys along with me because we all know I have ADHD, and if it's not filmed, I'm not going to do it. So I had to film this one. All right, let's jump right in. Middle of cleaning my bathtub, and I have to just say my glasses don't go anywhere because of these little things that I got. So they go on the back of your glasses, and think of it as like when you play sports and you have to wear like those big glasses from like the 80s that had like the band around your head. Well, these just like literally tuck right behind your ears, and you don't have to worry about it. Like, they don't go anywhere. It's amazing. I mean, my hair is going somewhere, but my glasses aren't. So I highly recommend, very highly recommend. And you might think like, oh, they won't fit on my glasses, but let me show you. Sunglasses were just too big on my face to begin with. Like, they would always fall off. But now they don't because of these. And look how thick that back is. And it still goes on it, and it's completely adjustable. So you literally put them on your ears, and then you can adjust it however, wherever you want it to sit for it to like fit you the best. I like to keep it really tight, so when I put it on, I do like just go over my ear, but you don't have to keep it that tight. I just don't like when my glasses start falling down, and I don't have to worry about it. Like, highly recommend. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you guys, and I post a new video every Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. Nope, I don't. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and another video on Saturday. I just added that into my rotation. So hopefully you like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified next time. And I do content of hair, makeup, cleaning, DIYs, fairy core, fashion, sewing. I'm all over the place. If you have ADHD, I think it would be a really good fit. And if you do a lot of stuff yourself and you want to be inspired, I think it would be a great fit. Okay, love you, bye.